How to fix loose or damaged drywall anchors like new. DIY wall plug repair. To fix loose or damaged drywall anchors, follow these steps. 1. Remove the damaged anchor. Use pliers to gently pull the old anchor out of the wall. If the anchor is stuck, use a screwdriver or drill to unscrew it. 2. Clean the hole. Use a small brush or vacuum to clean any debris from the hole. This will help the new anchor hold better. 3. Insert the new anchor. Insert the new anchor into the hole, making sure it fits snugly. If the hole is too big, use a larger anchor or fill the hole with joint compound before inserting the new anchor. 4. Tighten the anchor. Use a screwdriver or drill to tighten the screw into the anchor until it is flush with the wall. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause the anchor to strip or the drywall to crack. 5. Cover the anchor. If the anchor is visible, cover it with joint compound or spackle. Smooth it out with a putty knife and let it dry completely. 6. Sand and paint. Once the joint compound is dry, use sandpaper to smooth it out. Then paint over the repair to match the surrounding wall. By following these steps, you can repair loose or damaged drywall anchors and make your wall look like new again. Regenerate response.